Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, we're going to look at another great keyboard shortcut. So if you are typing in a Word document or let's say an email and there's a specific emoji or even a special character that you're looking to find, there's a really easy way to access all of them. You're going to clap 3 times. April Fools. Actually, what you're going to do is hit the Windows and period key at the same time. When you hit those buttons together, you're actually going to launch a pop-up that has special characters, emojis, and if you have Windows 11, it will even include GIFs for you too. I hope you guys enjoyed my cheesy April Fool's joke. Have a great week, and as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com. Have a great week, everyone.